We don't want this night to end. We won't sleep, then we'll do it again. Yeah.
She said, baby, how was your day? Did you call your mama? Is she okay? Are you thinking whiskey or Cabernet?